What's up guys, before you continue do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Last month, reliable tipster Ice Universe said that Samsung would unveil the Galaxy S23 series on February 1, 2023. And earlier today, Samsung's Colombian branch corroborated the date as it set up a page on its website for the Galaxy Unpacked event for the unveiling of the S23 lineup. That page has now been removed, which suggests Samsung Colombia jumped the gun on the revelation of the Unpacked event's date. But we expect the Korean conglomerate to make an official announcement for the event soon. Note that Samsung didn't explicitly mention the Galaxy S23 on its website, but the picture it shared pretty much confirms Samsung will unveil its 2023 flagships at the February 1st event. The Galaxy S23 series is expected to consist of three models: Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung hasn't divulged anything about them yet, but thanks to their leaked images, we know what the S23 trio will look like. You can expect more details about the Galaxy S23 lineup to surface in the lead-up to the February 1st Galaxy Unpacked event. Thank you for watching, catch you on the next one. Peace out.